Sorry. I get emotional because now in 2025, even 2024, 2023, 2022, every month is successful. I make money every day. I'm still working on the replacing feelings of overwhelmed. I don't think I'm overwhelmed. Sometimes I guess sometimes I get overwhelmed. Um but I remember living with my mom, and I didn't have bills, but I had a phone bill, and I was struggling to like make sure I had enough to pay my phone bill. And sometimes that's all I had money for. And I'm still moving through this calendar, and I was still taking appointments, and I will write notes. Every day is successful. My clientele is growing every day. I replace feelings with overwhelm with faith. Um, Another note I left for myself is everything happens for a reason. Every day is successful. My clientele is growing every day. Um, yeah, I was doing box braids every day. I had box braids on, and let me tell you, I didn't have a lot of clientele, and I was trying to rebuild my clientele. So I was doing braids. I was like, whatever, this is what y'all want. I'm gonna do braids whenever, however, right? Right here, say February 17th, box braid bobs, 5 p.m. The 18th, box braids. Before that, it was a twist bob. I don't know. I was doing a lot of everything. So another note I left myself was, so be it, see to it. This is my life. My clientele is growing each month. There is a plan for us in LA. So me and my friend had went to LA. But that's another story. All right. So basically I get the point. But in March, and I'm gonna show y'all months, March, right? I pre-planned what I wanted to happen. Okay. And the prayer, right? The note or the prayer I left for myself is, every month is a good month. I shall have 20 new clients in the month of March. I will do more sew-in installs. My skills have elevated. Fear is replaced with faith. I can afford anything I want and need. My life, I want and need for my life. So be it, see to it. I think that's what I wrote. And then on this month, it was March 25th was Good Friday. And I drew an arrow from the top to the bottom. And I said, every Friday is a Good Friday. This is my life. So be it, see to it. But, I'm going to read this, and it's coming to an end. But I said, I will make at least $100 a day. My natural hair will be very beneficial for ladies and kids with hair loss on edges. I said my natural hair oil. I do not like write it. I like to write, but I don't like to write neat. My natural hair oil will be very beneficial for ladies and men and kids with hair loss on edges and scalp. People will buy my oil and I will make a profit. This is how I will have extra income. People will buy my oils from all over. My opportunities are endless in April. This is my birth month. I am evolving into a wonderful, spiritual, loving, creative, outspoken woman. I have 20 new clients this month. My old clients returned as well as few. This is my life, so to it. This is my life, so be it, see to it. The point of me making these videos and showing y'all this and going over some of the stuff that I wrote in here is because I was relentless with what I wanted. There is nothing that can stop me from getting these clients. It's how I was feeling. Like, what? I'm about to get all the clients. It's how I was thinking. And I'm very grateful and humbled that not everybody experiences this. Not everybody is hungry. Not everybody has the fire in them, right? Some people walk around and they don't know what they want to do. And I remember walking around not knowing what I wanted to do. And I was like, okay, I'm going to take hair serious. And then when I took hair serious, even then, I didn't think about being a teacher. I didn't think about